Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify teamwork.com task dependencies and workflow states, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify task dependencies in teamwork.com, start by logging into your Teamwork account. Navigate to the specific project that contains the tasks you want to check. In the project dashboard, locate the Tasks tab and click on it. This will display a list of all tasks within the project. Identify the task you want to verify and click on it to open the task details. In the Task Details view, look for the Dependencies section. Here, you can see any tasks that are linked as predecessors or successors. To further check the workflow states, go back to the project dashboard. Next, click on the Workflow tab located in the top menu. This section provides an overview of the current workflow states for all tasks. Observe the status of each task to ensure they align with your project timeline. If you need to modify any dependencies, you can do so in the Task Details view. Simply click on the Add Dependency button. Select the related tasks from the list that appears and confirm the selection. Once completed, remember to save any changes made to task details. You can also adjust workflow states by dragging and dropping tasks within the workflow view. Ensure that your changes are reflected accurately across the project. Regularly reviewing dependencies and workflow states helps maintain project efficiency. By following these steps, you'll be able to verify and manage task dependencies effectively in teamwork.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.